What's going on, guys? This is BK87 checking in, and I'm back to let you into my Robinhood investing account. Now, I consider my Robinhood account a tool for me to earn passive income. With it, I buy and hold shares for the long term. I not only consistently deposit new money into my account to acquire more shares and position in the companies I hold, I also reinvest the dividends I receive from my dividend paying stocks as to increase my shares. I'm not a short term investor. I'm definitely in it for the long haul. So the goal of today's video is to show you the 6 best performing stocks in my Robinhood account. Now, 5 of the 6 companies pay me quarterly dividends, which I reinvest into the company once I receive the payment, and the other company is a growth stock. But let's go ahead and check out the current value of my portfolio. Right now, I'm sitting at $20,328. The market is closed right now because it's the weekend, so I'm down a little bit. But as I mentioned, I'm in it for the long haul, so I'm completely committed to it when the market is up and when it's down. But let's just check out my 3-month history. And as you can see, for the past 3 months, my portfolio is up about $1,400. And for the past year, my portfolio is still up, and it's up $4,500. As I said, I'm in it for the long haul. And what I do is I just consistently keep investing. But let's go ahead and check out the 6 companies that I mentioned. Now, Tesla is my best performing stock on the Robinhood app. As you can see right now, the current price is at $600. And for the past year, Tesla is up $424. And then even in the past 5 years, Tesla is up $555. Now let's just go ahead and check out the current shares of that I hold. I hold a little bit over 6 shares of Tesla. And total return, I'm up $1,116. And what that is also is 44% I am up. Now, Tesla is a very, very big company. And as I mentioned, it definitely is my best performing stock on the Robinhood app right now. And many believe Tesla has the potential to change the world with long-range EV technology. And then Tesla was founded in 2003, and Tesla CEO is Elon Musk, who we all know. Elon Musk is at this point become quite infamous. But Tesla, they engage in the design, the development, the manufacture, and sale of fully electric vehicles, energy generation, and storage systems. Tesla also provides vehicle service centers, supercharger stations, self-driving capabilities. Just basically the company, they operate through a number of segments. It's not only just the automotive, but just again, as I mentioned, energy generation, storage, just quite other things. And with their CEO being as famous as he is, Tesla, that even in itself really helps just as far as the name of Tesla. Now, I know Tesla has been getting quite beat up, pretty recently, but I still feel like in the long run, once all the dust kind of settles, Tesla's going to be right back to dominating. Let's see, as far as the 52-week high of Tesla, it's at $900. The 52-week low is at $173. But again, just to go back to that 52-week high, it's $900 right now. The current price is $600. I definitely feel like they're going to hit that 52-week high again and then even surpass it. So that means that there's still lots more room to grow. My average price is $415. I have 6 shares of it. I definitely want to keep buying more Tesla, and I want to at least get to 10 shares as soon as possible because I feel like there is room for it to really take off. But that's Tesla right there. Next up, we have Hercules Capital. It's ticker symbol HTGC. Hercules Capital, now they're a business development company, and they specialize in providing capital to privately held companies at all stages of development, from startups to even the expansion stages. Right now, Hercules Capital is going for $17 a share. So I definitely feel like that's definitely an affordable price. For the past year, Hercules Capital has went up $5. And if we take a look at my share position, I have 93 shares of Hercules Capital. My average cost is $12. In total return, I'm up $460 in Hercules Capital, or I'm up 40%. Now, Hercules Capital, as far as their 52-week high, it's actually $17. And their 52-week low is $9. So they're very close to their 52-week high, which is great. But I definitely feel like they still have more room to grow. I even shot a video about Hercules Capital and how I felt about it. It's a couple videos ago. If you take a look back at that, you'll definitely see I'm very long on Hercules Capital. They have a great dividend yield, and even the analyst rating, they have 100% buy. So I definitely feel like Hercules Capital is a company that you can probably really start getting like quite a nice position in. Like I said, the price is very affordable. Still feel like there's lots of room to grow, and they pay a great dividend. So it's definitely worth a shot you checking out. Hercules Capital is definitely one of the biggest, as far as the best performing stocks in my portfolio. Then we have Microsoft. They're coming in at number 3. Now, Microsoft, they've been one of the most dominant tech companies for decades, and I believe that they're going to continue to do so for many years to come. Microsoft, they have many different streams of revenue that continue to grow and will likely be dominate in the industry, again, as I mentioned, for years. Now, right now, the current price is $250. For the past year, Microsoft shot up $68. And for the past 5 years, Microsoft went up $198. Now, Microsoft is also one of the companies that really benefited during the whole pandemic and all of the businesses and many things closing down. I know even for myself, my job, we now work from home, and we use Microsoft Teams for all of our meetings. We actually use Microsoft Teams even more than Zoom. So just as far as, Microsoft Teams being really big for many businesses to be able to, operate through and hold their meetings, that's that's a really big game changer. And then of course, Microsoft, they have their video game systems and things as well. So just they're going to continue to keep dominating. As I mentioned, as you can see, I have 7 shares of Microsoft. In total return, I'm up $435. And what that equates to in percentages is as 32% up. So I'm 32% up on my Microsoft. Again, as I mentioned, $435 profit overall. And as you can see, I also have a dividend pending with Microsoft. For the 7 shares that I hold, I have a dividend payment for $3.95 pending. I'm going to be receiving that June the 10th. When I receive that dividend, I'm just going to reinvest it into the company. But yeah, Microsoft is definitely a company that's been kicking some butt while it's been in my portfolio. Then we have Bank of America. Now, Bank of America, they're poised to succeed as a provider of retail banking and wealth management services on a nationwide scale. And there seems to be no structural reason that it can't be one of the strongest bank franchises going forward. Now, a strong economy, higher inflation, and potentially higher rates are all positives for the banking sector. And then if the interest rates ever rise again, Bank of America's profits will meaningfully increase. Right now, the current share price is $43. And for the past year, Bank of America has went up $14. And then as far as the shares that I hold, I have 23 shares of Bank of America. And total return, I'm up $413, or 72%. I'm up in Bank of America. The financial sectors are definitely roaring back after all the closures of the pandemic. So I've definitely continued to keep holding my Bank of America, and I'm going to be grabbing some more shares because, as I mentioned, there's still more room to grow. Bank of America is a huge company. More than likely, many of you probably even have an account at Bank of America. So as Bank of America is going to keep growing, I'm going to keep growing too, and I'm going to get some more shares, definitely. Now, next to last, we have Apple. Now, Apple, they're one of the world's largest companies. Apple has done a great job changing the cell phone industry, and continues to be an industry leader. Now, although they're very dependent on the iPhone sales, Apple continues to diversify their revenue with other products and services like their iPad, the Apple Watches, software sales, and more. Also, there's the Mac computers. So Apple has definitely been dominating as well. Right now, their current price is $126, and for the past year, Apple has went up $45. And then even when we check out the past 5 years, Apple has risen $101. Now, I have 16 shares of Apple, and my average cost is $112. Total return, I'm up $218 or 11%. I'm up 11%. Again, as I mentioned, $218 in Apple. Again, Apple is such a huge company, and I feel like $126 is a very fair price for Apple. If anything, I feel like that they're going to grow even more, and I'm going to continue to keep growing along with Apple as well. And then the last stock that we have, the number 6 best performing stock, is going to be HewlettPackard, ticker symbol HPQ. Now, HewlettPackard, they provide personal computing and other access devices, imaging and printing products, and related technology solutions and services, not only in the United States, but internationally. Now, HewlettPackard, or HPQ, their price is $30 right now. And for the past year, the price has went up $13, or at least 77%. I hold 17 shares of HP, and my total return, I'm up $215. Now, due to the pandemic and many people working from home and thus creating more home offices, HewlettPackard has definitely benefited from it. As you can see, they have a 52-week high of $36. So that's just $6 off right now, but I definitely feel like they have room to at least touch that 36 again, and then keep growing even more. So I've definitely benefited from holding some HewlettPackard. They also pay a quarterly dividend, which I think is very fair. So I'm going to keep on purchasing more HewlettPackard as well. So now if we just go ahead and just kind of change as far as the view of how the stocks are showing right now, we're just going to go ahead and hit total return. Just to kind of recap, we got Tesla, which I'm up over $1,100. Hercules Capital, which I'm up over $460. Microsoft, which I'm up over $400. Bank of America, I'm up over $400. Apple, I'm up over $200. HewlettPackard, I'm up over $215. These are the 6 best performing stocks that I have in my portfolio at the moment. And as I mentioned, I'm going to keep on investing in these companies. And that, my friends, is how you earn passive income. That's capital gains, in addition to dividends that I receive, and I just reinvest monthly or quarterly as I receive them. Sorry about that. But yeah, that concludes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed to the BClaw87 channel, I want you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your friends, and I want you to start investing today. With that said, I'm going to have a link in the description box. I want you to click on that link so you can download the Robinhood app for your phone, and you can start investing today. And if you want to start getting into some crypto, I'm also going to have a link for Coinbase. You click that link for Coinbase, you can download the app, and if you deposit $100, you're going to get $10 worth of free Bitcoin. So that's the name of the game. Get you some free stock by clicking my Robinhood link, and get you some free crypto, or at least $10 worth of Bitcoin at least, by clicking on my Coinbase app. And go ahead and like the video, because I'd really appreciate that. But other than that, enjoy the rest of your day, everybody, and I hope that you learned something. If you have these stocks also in your portfolio, so go ahead and drop a comment. I love to chop it up with you about them. Peace, fam.